Hey guys, today I'm doing a headshot only challenge. I sniper headshot only challenge. I'm only gonna use a sniper and also only gonna get headshots. I might have already lost. Yeah, he died, so I'm just gonna go up here. I'm gonna come up here. Oh, no, and if you haven't already, please leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notifications. I'm only allowed to take headshots. So, come out, wherever you are. Damn it. Okay, I'm hiding the headshot only challenge, so no. Aww. 0 kills? I see you. I see you. Flip you. No, I didn't get my shot. No! Get him. I could get him. Or her. I could get her. Yeah, I'm checking that. No, I don't think I can. Yes! SNGB. Did he spot me? Oh, yes, he did. Oh no! Yes, Rex do 1008. Yo, no. Oh. Yeah. 2 snipes. Yes, ich on rocks. Rex, do. What, who sniped? Who sniped? Boy, you dead. Boy, you dead, Sonny. Yes! 5 kills. Finally, some kills. He was literally right there. Oh yes, I say you. Yes. I've killed him like so many times. I literally have a clean shot on him. How my shot a snipe haven't getting the farthest snipe ever? Who is he aiming at? Hello? Get out of my way so I can kill this guy. No! So I just wasted my... Yep, I have a... Still, 6 snipes. Last time I got 40. Last time I did this I got 40. Usually I'm good at this stuff. I'm good at sniping. Yeah, I still am. I still am. Oh no. Don't move at all. Don't move. Eight kills. Most of them are still. Yo! Wojan something. He goes there. If it didn't. What the? What the? Oh. Someone sniper. Someone sniper. Yay, she died. Thank you for killing her. I was almost about to lose it. My sniper only challenge. Yay! هو ايش انا الركش رك boom 11 snipes. Oh yeah. Full of snipes. Most of them more on the Rex do something. Oh yay. Yeah, thanks for not giving up sniping. Because you think you're not gonna die anymore. You have sniped me, but not as many times I have sniped you. And who tried to snipe me? It can't have been him. He doesn't even see me. Why the hell would you do that? Why the hell would you do that? Yeah, why would you do that? What? Comment down below. Comment down below. Comment down below why someone would kill her own teammate. What up? Yo, no. Someone there? What the? Meowscles? Yay! Ha! Meowscles! Yay, anonymous 287. No. Yay! Oh, giant Flipito. Flipido. Oh yeah, Meowscles. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn it. Yay! Ishan rocks. Sorry. Yahoo! Meowscles! I'm sorry for doing this, but I have to. I'm sorry for doing this, but I have to. Well, I can't anymore. Come out, wherever you are. What do I see? Why did I crouch? Yo, I see someone standing still. Yay! Meowscles! Meowscles, come back. Oh, anyone come back? 16! Does he see me? Does he see me? Victory! That was a vast victory, and bye-bye, guys. That's all for today, guys. Now I just gotta figure out how to go out or stop it. Boom.